Today we are going to learn about the IUPAC names of organic compounds. Today we will see how alcohols, carboxylic acids, aldehydes, ketones and alkyl halides are named in IUPAC system of nomenclature. So the first class of organic compounds named alcohol. While naming the organic compounds, we must know one thing, that all the organic compounds are the derivatives of alkanes. In alcohols, the functional group is OH group, means hydroxyl group. The simple method to name the alcohols is, first of all we have to decide or determine the name of the parent alkane. From the name alkane, we have to remove E, and to that we have to add OL. So that's why the new name will be alkanol, and this is the IUPAC name of alcohols. We will take 3 to 4 examples of alcohol to understand how the IUPAC name is done. Before we proceed, we should know the basic rule of IUPAC nomenclature, and the basic rule is that you have to select the longest continuous chain of carbon atom, and by selecting the longest continuous chain of carbon atom, you should able to count the number of carbon atoms in chain, and by counting the number of carbon atoms in chain, we will be able to decide the name of the parent alkane. In this example, we have taken a example of N-propyl alcohol. In this carbon compound or in this alcohol, the number of carbon atoms in chain are 3, means 1, 2 and 3. That's why the name of the parent alkane is propane, because in the main chain there are 3 carbon atoms. The functional group which is present in this chain, that is a hydroxyl group. So that's why for alcohol we uses the suffix, that is OL. Now we will number this chain, but the numbering of the chain is done in such a way that the functional group attached to the carbon atom, it should get the lowest possible number. In this example, the OH group, which is a functional group in alcohol, is attached to the first carbon atom. So that's why we will number this chain as number 1 carbon, second carbon and third carbon. So that's why the parent is propane, suffix is OL, because functional group is OH, and now the prefix is 1. Prefix is 1 because the functional group is attached to the first carbon atom. Now according to IUPAC system, we have to arrange them in sequence, in prefix, then parent and then suffix. In this case the prefix is 1, so that's why we have written 1. The parent is propane, so that's why propane, and by replacing E from that propane we have added a suffix OL. That's why the IUPAC name of this compound is 1-propanol. In second example, we have taken methyl alcohol, which has a molecular formula CS3OH. In this compound there is only 1 carbon atom, so that's why parent is methane. The functional group is again OH group, so that's why the suffix is OL. Now prefix is not needed because there is only 1 carbon atom in this chain. So the IUPAC name will be in this manner: prefix, parent and suffix. We have not used prefix, so that's why from the parent alkane, that means methane, the E is removed and OL is added. That's why the IUPAC name of methyl alcohol will be methanol. For better understanding, take third example of ethyl alcohol. The condensed formula of ethyl alcohol is C2H5OH. For our convenience, we can write it like CH3CH2OH. Now in this chain, there are two carbon atoms. That's why parent is ethane. The functional group is hydroxyl group, means OH group. Therefore suffix is OL. The prefix is 1 because the functional group is attached to the first carbon atom, and we have to number the chain in such a way that the carbon atom to which functional group is attached should get the lowest possible number. Therefore prefix is 1. So IUPAC name of ethyl alcohol will be ethanol, or first of all prefix, then parent, and then suffix. So the name becomes 1-ethanol. Take another example of alcohol. The fourth example is of isopropyl alcohol. In this example, you will see that the longest continuous chain of carbon atom is containing 3 carbon atoms. So that's why the parent is propane. The functional group present in this molecule is OH. That's why we have to use the suffix OL. Now the prefix is 2. We have taken prefix 2 because the functional group is attached to the second number carbon atom. Either we are moving from left to right or right to left. The position of OH group is 2. So that's why the IUPAC name of this isopropyl alcohol will be propan 2-ol or 2-propanol. The next class of organic compounds is aldehydes. The functional group in aldehydes is CHO, means aldehyde group. The procedure for naming the aldehydes is same. We have to measure the number of carbon atoms. We will decide the parent alkane. From that parent alkane, we will remove the last E and we will add Al. So the IUPAC name of aldehydes will be alkanol. Let us take example number 1. Formula is HCHO. This is the first member of aldehydes, that is formaldehyde. In this chain, you can see there is only one carbon atom, and this carbon atom is present in the functional group. So the parent alkane is methane. Functional group is CHO. That's why the suffix is Al. Now as there is only one carbon atom, there is no need to write the suffix, or you can take one. So the IUPAC name according to this system, the parent is methane. So from this methane we will remove E and we will add Al. So that's why the name of this compound will be methanol. The next example of this aldehyde series is acetaldehyde. The formula of acetaldehyde is CH3CHO. There are two carbon atoms in this chain. That's why the parent is ethane. Functional group CHO is present. Therefore suffix is Al. There is no need to write the prefix. So that's why the IUPAC name of this compound, means acetaldehyde, is ethanol, because the parent is ethane. We have to remove E and we have to add L. After adding this one, the name becomes ethanol. Look at the third example. The formula of third example is CH3CH2CHO. This is a propionaldehyde. There are 3 carbon atoms in this chain. That's why the parent is propane. The suffix which we will use is Al, means al. The IUPAC name of this compound will be propionyl. This name is obtained by removing E from the parent alkane and by adding Al. Parent is propane. By removing this E, we have added Al, and that's why the IUPAC name of propionaldehyde is propionyl. The next class of organic compounds is carboxylic acids. The functional group in carboxylic acids is carboxylic group, which is univalent COOH group. The procedure of naming carboxylic acid is also same, but when we will decide the name of parent alkane, we will remove the E of this parent alkane by OIC acid. So that's why the name becomes alkyanoic acid, and alkyanoic acid is the IUPAC name of carboxylic acids. We will understand this naming by taking two or more examples. Take the first example of formic acid. The molecular formula of formic acid is HCOOH. In this molecular formula, there is only one carbon atom. That's why parent is methane. The functional group is COOH, and that's why we will use the suffix OIC acid. So, by removing E from methane, we will add OIC acid, and therefore the IUPAC name of formic acid will be methanoic acid. The second example of carboxylic acid is acetic acid, which has molecular formula CH3COOH. There are two carbon atoms in this chain, so that's why parent is ethane. The functional group is carboxylic group. That's why we will use the suffix OIC acid. Now by using this formula, the IUPAC name of acetic acid is ethanoic acid. The third example is propionic acid, having formula CH3CH2COOH. Can you name the parent alkane in this compound? The name of parent alkane is propane because there are three carbon atoms. The functional group again is carboxylic group. That's why the suffix is OIC acid, and therefore the IUPAC name of this compound will be propionic acid. The last example of carboxylic acids is CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. This is the example of butyric acid. There are four carbon atoms in this chain. That's why the parent will be butane. The functional group is carboxylic group. That's why we will use suffix OIC acid, means oic acid, and the IUPAC name will be butanoic acid. In the next video, we will discuss how the IUPAC names of alkyl halides and ketones are given.